Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Descript for editing affiliate YouTube review videos step by step clearly. Open Descript and create a new project. Import your video file by dragging it into the project area. Select your video file and click on the transcribe button. Wait for Descript to transcribe your audio into text. Once the transcription is complete, review the text for any errors. Make edits to the transcription if necessary to ensure accuracy. To adjust the video, locate the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can cut sections of your video by highlighting the corresponding text and pressing the delete key. To add new footage, simply drag and drop the clips into the timeline. You can use the screen recording feature if you want to create tutorial-style content. To add captions, select the text you want to display and click on Create Cuts. Use the audio section to edit any background noise or enhance your video by adding visuals or images that support your review. To sync audio with video, zoom into the timeline for precise adjustments. Export your final video by clicking on the Export button in the upper right corner. Choose your preferred video format for export, such as MP4. Wait for Descript to process your video before saving it to your device. Review the final product to ensure everything looks and sounds great. Now your affiliate YouTube review video is ready for upload. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.